Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to log in and create an account on our mortgage fund portal. First thing you want to do is go to TaliMarFinancial.com, the website. Once you're at the website, go to Investing, select TaliMar Income Fund 1, and select Mortgage Fund Portal. You'll be directed to our Mortgage Fund Portal. While you're here, if you have not created an account, simply enter in your information. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to actually establish a login account. We'll go ahead and enter in my information. Select Get Started. Now, if you don't have an account, you'll be directed to another page where you go ahead and enter in your basic data, including name, email, and phone number. In my case, I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in. Now, once you've established an account and you've put a password in, you go ahead and log in, and you'll be brought to this page. It's just an authentication page. Go ahead and send a text to the number that you inputted when you set up your account. This number obviously will change every time you log in. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. First thing you're going to want to do is select Opportunities, and you'll see the TaliMar Income Fund 1 opportunity. Select More Information, and you'll arrive at the page describing TaliMar Income Fund 1. Top text here talks a little about the fund and some benefits of investing in the fund. And then text here talks a little about my background as well as the background of the company. You'll also have the opportunity to review the operating documents. Here's the subscription agreement and the private placement memorandum. Simply select one of them, and it'll download, depending upon your browser you're using. I'm using Chrome. We'll download the document in a PDF format. If you're interested in taking the next step, you just simply select Invest Now, and you'll be directed to the first step of the process. Select Equity. Select Next, and then select the amount. Select Next. Come to a page where there'll be some disclosures. So check this box and select Pledge. Now, the next step in the process is, or the next page is some questions regarding your status as an accredited investor. You'll complete that questionnaire and then submit several documents to confirm your responses. That information is then sent off to a third-party verification company. It takes about 3 to 5 days for them to verify you as an accredited investor. Once you've been accredited, you'll receive an email stating that you have been approved. We will as well. And then we'll provide you the wire information for you to transfer your funds into the fund. Once you've been approved as an investor and you've transferred your funds, your investment will show here on the portfolio. Now, keep in mind that you can invest out of multiple funds into the fund. So if you have a personal fund or a self-directed IRA or 401k or other investment, you can use all three. We have committed $250,000 to the fund, so our investment shows here. That is essentially the process of establishing an account and investing funds into the fund. If you have any questions regarding the process or have any issues logging in, please feel free to give me or my team a call. The best way to reach us is at 858-242-4900. Or obviously you can also email us at invest@talimarfinancial.com, and we would be more than happy to walk you through the process. If you have not already or would like to schedule another call with our team, we'd be more than happy to schedule that Zoom call with you. Just simply reach out to us and we'll put you on the schedule. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and I look forward to hearing from you.